Let me ask you something honest. If someone told you that waiting just 10 years could cost you over $500,000, not because of anything you did wrong, not because of bad luck, not because of a bad investment, just because of timing, would you believe them? Most people don't, until they see the actual numbers. And once you see them, you cannot unsee them. Meet two people. Same city. Same income. Same job. Same ambition. Alex starts investing at 25. Just $300 a month. Nothing dramatic. No secret strategy. Just a basic index fund earning the historical market average of around 8% annually. Jordan starts at 35. Same $300 a month. Same fund. Same discipline. The only difference is 10 years. By age 65, Alex has approximately $1,006,000. Jordan has approximately $408,000. Same person. Same effort. Same amount invested every month. The gap between them is $598,000. Not because Alex was smarter. Not because Alex earned more. Just because Alex started 10 years earlier and let time do the work. Here is what most people misunderstand about compound interest. It does not grow in a straight line. It grows like a snowball rolling downhill. Slow and small at the beginning. Then faster. Then almost impossible to stop. In the first 10 years, Alex barely notices progress. The numbers move slowly. It feels pointless sometimes. Like nothing significant is happening. But something is happening. The foundation is being built. By year 20, the snowball starts picking up real speed. Returns are now generating their own returns. Money Alex never earned from a job is appearing in the account. Every single month. Automatically. Jordan starts at 35 and never gets those first 10 foundation years. Jordan is always playing catch-up. Working harder. Saving more. But the math never fully closes the gap. Here is the number that changes everything. Every single year you wait to start investing costs you approximately $60,000 in final wealth at retirement. Not per month. Per year of delay. Waiting from 25 to 26 to start. That 1 year costs you $60,000 at the end. Waiting from 25 to 35. That is the $598,000 gap we just talked about. This is not a scare tactic. This is just arithmetic. Now the most common response to this is, I will start when I have more money. When I am more stable. When things settle down. Here is the truth about that thinking. Things do not settle down. Life gets more expensive as you get older. More responsibilities. More obligations. More reasons to delay. The version of you at 35 is not going to find it easier to start. That version has a mortgage. Maybe kids. Car payments. More financial pressure, not less. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Even if today you can only invest $50 a month. $50 a month started at 25 beats $300 a month started at 40. That is how powerful early time is. 3 simple steps to start right now regardless of your age. First, open a Roth IRA or contribute to your employer 401k today. Not next week. Today. Second, start with whatever amount you can. Even $50 or $100 a month. Amount matters less than starting. Third, choose a simple low-cost index fund. No complicated strategies needed. Simple and consistent wins every time. If you are 35 or older watching this video is not meant to make you feel bad. It is meant to make you start today instead of waiting until 45. The second best time is always right now. My name is Esteban and I cover these kinds of decisions constantly. The ones that feel small today but determine everything 20 years from now. If this helped you see things differently, subscribe. because we break down exactly this kind of math every single week. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results.